Geekom Mini IT11 Review. Thanks to its 11th Gen Intel processor, the Geekom Mini IT11 is a powerful mini PC that can meet most people's needs. Thanks to its 11th Gen Intel processor, the Geekom Mini IT11 is a powerful mini PC that can meet most people's needs. Thanks to its 11th Gen Intel processor, the Geekom Mini IT11 is a powerful mini PC that can meet most people's needs. Thanks to its 11th Gen Intel processor, the Geekom Mini IT11 is a powerful mini PC that can meet most people's needs. It has good specs, and like other Geekom machines we've tested before, you can upgrade the RAM and storage. Geekom constructs excellent mini PCs and their newest triumph is the Mini IT11. This tiny powerhouse is suitable for a majority of desktop duties, suitable for office and home usage. There is much versatility with the ability to update the RAM and storage by the users themselves. It can be put together with Linux as well, but it comes with Windows 11 Pro installed. Beyond its minimalistic aesthetics, the machine has plenty of high-end ports. It is equipped with USB 3.2 Gen 2, USB 4, Gigabit Ethernet, and 2 display outputs in a remarkably small package. Even a 2.5-inch SATA drive can be added to the PC. The version tested here featured an 11th Gen processor with a spectacular performance as well. The Mini IT11 resembles the Geekom Mini IT8 and Mini IT11, being a small black cube that looks unassuming. It features plenty of ports, a matte lid, and very little space is needed to use it. You can even mount it in a VESA bracket if you want to save more space on your desk. We would consider the Mini IT11's overall aesthetic to be utilitarian. It is effective and efficient in its purpose. There is nothing extravagant or colorful about the design, just a straightforward machine that can fit into any office environment. We appreciate its streamlined look. The Geekom Mini IT11, like other Geekom machines, has numerous ports for external connectivity. It offers 3 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, 2 USB-C Gen 4, an SD card slot, a mini display port, an HDMI port, and a Gigabit Ethernet jack. Sticking with Geekom's customary tradition of offering users flexibility, the Mini IT11 has an option for upgradability. Outfitted with 16 GB of dual-channel SDIMM RAM, all 4 models are available. But you can also choose to enhance up to 64 GB of RAM, thereby making your machine much faster when combined with the 11th Gen processors. Additionally, each Mini IT11 variant provides 512 GB of RAM storage. Maximum 2 TB of SSD storage can be achieved for added space. Moreover, you will have up to 4 TB of storage if you install a 2 TB 2.5-inch SATA drive. The model we got for review, the Mini IT11, was included with an i7-11995G7 processor. This is a 4-core, 8-thread chip with a 2.9 GHz base frequency and a 5 GHz turbo clock. That's quite remarkable for a mobile CPU. As far as storage memory goes, the Mini IT11 comes equipped with 16 GB of dual-channel DDR4 RAM that runs at 3200 MHz. Out of curiosity, we wanted to see how the Mini IT11 contrasted with Geekom's Mini IT8. We also included the Mac Mini M1 to demonstrate how Apple's chip measures up to Intel despite being older. Despite it not truly being a fair comparison, the Mini IT11 shows greater improvements than the Mini IT8, with the latter using Intel's mid-range chip. An interesting observation was the difference between 8th generation and 11th generation processors. Nevertheless, in our benchmarks, the 2-year-old M1 chip was still superior to Intel's. Thus, it could be concluded the Mac Mini performed better. With the potential release of an M2 Mac Mini and its expected price similar to that of the Mini IT11. An important thing to remember about the Mac Mini is that not everyone likes Mac OS, which could be puzzling. The Mini IT11 is more accommodating since you have the option to run either Windows or Linux. Despite being less powerful than the Mac Mini M1, the Mini IT11 still proves to be great for most desktop activities. Heavy gaming and video editing put more strain on the Mini IT11 than it can handle. But since those tasks aren't a priority for most mini PC users, we believe that it suffices in that area. It has more power than both the Mini IT8 and Mini IT11, allowing it to handle photo editing tasks like GIMP and RAW therapy with ease, unlike other computers. The Mini IT11 should be a consideration if you're not going for the Mac Mini, with plenty of ports and upgradable features. Run Windows 11 Pro, or Linux, or use it as a server, this mini PC provides good value at its cost.